Huh? Hello? Who's there? Please, whoever you are, I'm lost. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I think so. I just don't really know where I am or how to get back home. I'm from Earth. I've been living in an orphanage my entire life, but I've never really been treated well by my headmistress. What kind of creature are you anyway? Some kind of human cat thing? Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Fairy? What are you talking about? I'm not a fairy, I'm a human. Wait a minute. Did you just say wings? What the? I've got wings now? Oh boy, first my necklace begins to glow, then I land here, now I get wings? What's next? My outfit transforms and my hair grows longer?
Hang on, slow down.
We will? How?
What do you say we get you back to my garage?
Wow, that's probably the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. Thank you. What's your name? Because I'd honestly feel kind of guilty if I just ended up calling you the cat creature, or Lumbex.
My name's Ratchet.
Sorry, I've always been a little hesitant when it comes to strangers touching me. It's because I was diagnosed with autism and ADHD when I was only 6 years old. That's what caused me to become abused by my headmistress, because she wanted me to act like everyone else, and she claimed that I always seemed to make a situation worse. It's Tirzah. Tirzah Rose. Thank you, Ratchet. I'm glad you... Don't worry, Ratchet. I'll be fine for now. Besides, who cares about me? Everybody thinks I'm a nobody. My headmistress says so, and whatever she says goes and is the truth. Warmer.